Hi guys, and welcome to Neil's Wheels. This weekend I'm at the ABR Festival. Really busy weekend already. It's only about 11 o'clock I think, but as you can see as we go around here, lots and lots of things to do, lots and lots of things to see. People enjoying themselves. Hopefully get to meet some of the biking VIPs while I'm here, have a chat with them. So yeah, I'll catch you later on, but yeah, things looking really good for the weekend. Take it easy. Morning guys, welcome back to Neil's Wheels. It's 5:45 in the morning and we're still at the ABR. This is day 2. As you can see, it's a really sunny warm day today. I better look to make sure I'm not going to get run over, so I'll just show you the scene this morning. So we have the bikes down there from Royal Enfield, Benelli. Walking through, nobody here yet. Latitude roof tents. The lake is tranquil and quiet. The fire pit's obviously burnt out. Nothing left in there this morning. But what a gorgeous day to start off the second day of the ABR. So here we are at the top of the field, Ducati, Suzuki. It's hard to believe that later on today this will be absolutely packed again with loads of bike enthusiasts. I've just seen Lyndon popping out of his tent there, off for his morning constitutional. So here I am outside the Harley Davidson tent. Lots of people were talking in here yesterday. I managed to speak to Lyndon Poskett yesterday. Great guy, well known for his explorations of Africa and the Dakar. Missed Andy, the Missenden Flyer. He was on yesterday, went down well as usual. Billy Ward on good form. So I had a quick word with him yesterday. So yeah, it's going to be a good day. It was a good day yesterday. It's going to be an even better day today, I think. The sun's up already. So something to look forward to. So thanks again for watching Neil's Wheels, and I'll try and catch up with you later on. Morning guys, and welcome back to Neil's Wheels. So this is Sunday morning at the ABR. As you can see, again another sunny day like it was yesterday morning. Absolutely deserted at the moment. It's just after 6 in the morning, so you can understand why. A good night I think was had by all last night. Plenty of entertainment, some excellent bands, tribute bands, played really well, and it was well worth being here. So that's me signing off really. As you can see, I'm sort of squinting here against the sun, and my face is red from being out yesterday and getting windburn on the trail. So yeah, let's hope we can do it all again next year, and here's looking forward to then. So thanks for watching Neil's Wheels. All of you take care out there, keep it shiny side up, and speak to you soon. Take care now, bye bye.